hi children, in that previous video we learned that in two videos we learned that 4 proofs, no? So here we are having last 2 proofs now. So we will see last 2 proofs here. So what is that one means? The first one is cos cube theta plus cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta plus cos cube 120 minus theta, which is equals to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. So this is that next one. Okay, next identity. Here we have to prove that cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta plus cos cube 120 minus theta is equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. So here take that LHS. So what is that LHS, ma? Here cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta plus cos cube 120 minus theta. That is the LHS. So children, just observe that LHS is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Yes or no? A cube plus b cube plus c cube, that form only, no? So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to, we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, and the condition is a plus b plus c is equal to 0. If you take that cos theta plus cos 120 plus theta plus cos 120 minus theta is equal to 0. Already we learned that, we know that. So that's why here we can apply that if the condition is a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. This is one of the conditional identity in that algebraic identities. Okay, ma. So this formula here we have to apply that. So cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta plus cos cube 120 minus theta is equal to 3 into here a, b, c. So a cube. Okay, so that's why here a is equal to cos theta and b is equal to cos into 120 plus theta, and here c cube cos into 120 minus theta. Okay, understand? So here this one, first prove that. Okay, first we need to simplify this. So 3 cos theta into, here we can write this one as cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, what is that formula? Cos square b minus sin square a. So cos square b, so a plus b, no, so cos square theta minus sin square b, sin square a is equal to 120 degrees. Cos square b minus sin square a. That formula here we have to use. So from this one, 3 cos theta into cos square theta minus, here sin square 120 degrees we can write it as sin of 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Shall we write like this, ma? 180 minus 60. So 180 minus 60 is equal to, again we are getting 120. So this is in the form of sin of 180 minus theta. So sin of 180 minus theta means sin theta. So from this one, which is equals to 3 cos theta into, here cos square theta minus, here sin square theta. So sin square 60 degrees. Sin square 60 degrees. So from this one, 3 cos theta into cos square theta minus sin square 60 degrees means sin 60 degrees. What is that value, ma? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now 3 cos theta into cos square theta minus root 3 whole square is 3 by 2 square is 4. Okay. So from this one, 3 cos theta into, just take the cross multiplication. Here 4 cos square theta minus 3 by 4. Okay. So by 4 write it as outside. So 3 by 4 into 4 cos square theta into cos theta. So we can write that one as, just take the product ma. So 4 cos cube theta minus cos theta into 3 minus 3 cos theta. Okay children, have you seen this formula anywhere? Yes, this is the formula for that. Yes, cos 3 theta formula. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So which is equals to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. 3 by 4 cos theta. Okay, so this is that RHS. Understand? So hence it is proved or not? Yes. What we have to prove? Cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta plus cos cube 120 minus theta is equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. So here also we got that 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. Understand ma? Same thing we got now here. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Understand? So still we have that one more proof, that is cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into and so on cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. Cos 2 power n minus 1 theta, which is equals to sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. Okay children, so this one we need to prove that. Okay, this is the last proof and easy, and in the same way this is somewhat important also. Okay, the same formula we can use in that problems also. That one will come in that worksheet. Next worksheet we have some problems now related to this formula also there. Okay, so see this one ma. So here I want to take that LHS. Always we are taking that LHS, we are proving that RHS no. So here also I want to take that LHS. So what is that LHS? LHS is cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta and so on into cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. Understand? So here at that starting we are having only cos theta. So that's why I want to multiply and divide. Multiply and divide by 2 sin theta. What is that? Multiply and divide by 2 sin theta. So then this one will come as 2 sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into and so on cos 2 power n minus 1 theta whole by 2 sin theta. Why? Because 2 sin theta and 2 sin theta gets cancelled, again we will get that same LHS no, so that's why. So which is equals to here 2 sin theta cos theta. We can write this one as sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into and so on cos into 2 power n minus 1 theta whole by 2 sin theta. Understand ma? So still again we are having sin theta cos theta. Okay, now here I want to multiply and divide by 2. I want to multiply and divide by 2. So again 2 gets cancelled, again we will get the same answer no. So see here. So from this one we can write that 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Okay, so which is equals to sin, at the place of theta we have that 2 theta. So 2 into 2 is equal to sin 4 theta into, so this total one we written as a sin 4 theta and here this is a cos 4 theta. Cos 4 theta into and so on cos 2 power n minus 1 theta whole by, here we got that, here 2 into 2 which is equals to 2 square. I want to write that one as 2 square sin theta. Okay, so still this process will continue here. Why? Because 4 theta, next 6 theta, 8 theta, okay, that is will come up to 2 power n minus 1. Okay, so which is equals to, again I want to multiply and divide by 2. Again I want to multiply and divide by 2. Now this is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so again this is the formula for that, sin 2 theta. So 2 into 4, that is 8 theta. Okay, and so on, cos power 2 power n minus 1 into theta whole by, here 2 square into 1, so which is equals to 2 cube sin theta. So this process is continuation. Okay, still that is in continuation. Why? Because in middle how many terms are there? We don't know that. That is in continuation. Okay, and so on is there, means in middle number of terms there. How many terms? We don't know that. Why? Because n minus 1 they given. So which means n terms there. Understand? So that's why here, if this process will continue, then just observe that here first only cos function is there, we are adding that sine function. Okay, so next here also cos function is there, again we are adding that sine function. Okay, so if this process is continuation, then here last cos function is there, so we are adding that sine function. So then what we will get here, and 2 also we are doing that multiplying and division by 2. So 2 sine 2 power n minus 1 theta into cos 2 power n minus 1 theta, the last term this is. Okay, whole by 2 power, here 2 into 2 into 2, how much we don't know that, no? So that's why here I want to write this one as 2 power n sin theta. Understand ma? So or else 2 power n minus 1 into 2, then what we will get? 2 power n minus 1 into 2. Why? Because 2 power n minus 1 terms no. So that's why 2 power n minus 1 and here 2 power n minus 1. So from this one we will get it as, this is again 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so sin 2 theta, sin 2 into, here theta is equals to how much ma? 2 power n minus 1 into theta, sin 2 theta whole by, here 2 power n minus 1 into 2. This one we can write it as 2 power 1 is there, no? So 2 power 1 plus n minus 1 into sin theta. Okay, so plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. And in the same way here also we can write this one as, see here. So sin 2 power 1 into, here 2 power n minus 1 is there, no? So directly we can write this into theta by 2 power n sin theta. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So from that one what we have to write? Sin, which is equals to sin 2 power n. See here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So 2 power n into theta. So 2 power n into theta whole by, here 2 power only n is there. So 2 power n sin theta. So this is that RHS. Yes or no? Once check that RHS, this one only or not? Sin 2 power n theta. So sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. Okay. So the same RHS we got no ma here. Yes or no? So here we taken that LHS and we got that RHS. So this is the last proof. Did you understand that? So if that question is in the form of cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta and so on up to cos n terms or n minus 1 terms, then here the formula is sin of 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. Understand? Okay children. So up to here concept 3, every topic we covered here in this video and previous videos also. So in that next video we will learn that worksheet problems. Okay, that is related to concept 3, everything. Okay, thank you all.